Andromeda and the Milky Way are on a collision course. Perhaps the most dramatic fact about the Andromeda Galaxy is its eventual fate. It's on a direct collision course with the Milky Way. Traveling at a speed of about 110 kilometers per second, Andromeda will merge with our galaxy in roughly 4.5 billion years. This galactic dance is a vivid reminder of the ever-changing nature of the cosmos. When Andromeda and the Milky Way collide, it won't be a violent crash as one might imagine. Galaxies are mostly empty space, so stars and planets are unlikely to collide directly. Instead, the gravitational forces will reshape both galaxies, creating a new elliptical galaxy often referred to as Milkomeda. During this cosmic event, the night sky on Earth will transform dramatically. Andromeda will grow larger and brighter, dominating the heavens as the galaxies draw closer. The eventual merger will set off bursts of star formation as gas and dust clouds collide and compress, igniting new stars. While the collision sounds catastrophic, it's a natural part of galactic evolution. For astronomers, it's a thrilling opportunity to study these processes and gain insights into the life cycle of galaxies. For us, it's a humbling reminder of our place in an ever-evolving universe.